guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a palette review, first impression kind of a video, and today I'm going to talk about this palette right over here, which is from Nicka K. This one is a spiced up palette. They have another version of this as well, which is like with blues and pinks. So I just thought of picking up the spiced up one, which is like very warm toned, and this is a newly launched palette from Nicka K. You can purchase it from Hawk Makeup. You can also purchase it from Nykaa, and this video is completely not sponsored by anyone. I purchased this palette with my own money. This was actually this retails for 1500 rupees, but this was on sale. I think Hawk Makeup still they have a sale going on, and you can get this palette for 750 or something like that. So I purchased it for 750 rupees, and yeah, came broken. As you guys can see, this shade is completely broken, which I don't know. Anyways, this is what the palette looks like. As you guys can see over here, they have all metallic shimmer glitter shades. They have few glitter shades, metallic shades as well, and over here they have all matte shade, and over here again they have all metallic and shimmer shades as well. I'm obviously going to swatch it and show it to you. And this is what the packaging looks like. It's a plastic packaging, but it does not feel anything cheap or something like that. It's really good. And yeah, here's the back. Here you have the names of the like shadows, which is really annoying because I cannot actually follow up this thing. I just really feel like the name should be over here. Yeah, this is what the palette looks like. Also, they have few different textured shadows, which feels very weird, especially this yellow shade right over here, which came broken. It's kind of a mousse shimmer shade. It's like it's pressed. This is what it looks like. When you blend it, it turns into a glitter like this. I'm gonna start from here. So this shade right over here, it's a metallic shade which feels something like this. It's a very beautiful rose gold kind of a metallic shade. And then I'm gonna swatch this shade right over here. This also feels very like, see, I pressed it. It feels very mousse kind of a shade. The texture is very different, and it's really very pigmented as well. I'm gonna swatch it right over here. Like, see the shine. Oh my god, I loved it. Like, as you guys can see, it contains a orange coralish shift to it, and again that gold shift. Like, the shade is really unique somewhere. Then I'm gonna swatch this shade. Now this is not a mousse kind of a shimmery shade. It's a glitter. It's a complete pressed glitter, and yeah, oh my god, this is so pigmented, guys. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a complete glitter shade. These three shades, they are moussey, they are metallic, they are shimmery, but this one is glitter, so you get shimmers and glitters in this palette as well. I'm gonna swatch this shade right over here. This is also a different shade. It's not like this one, like it's not moussey, but it's just like a shimmery shade, nothing else. And I'm gonna swatch it right over here. The shadows are so buttery and they are like so pigmented. This is what it looks like. And the yellow shade, I swatched it right over here. The yellow shade is this one, which contains a greenish shift to it as well. It's like intense yellow, a beautiful yellow metallic shade, which I have never seen in my life. But I don't know whether you guys can see it or not, but in person I can actually see a green shift to it, which is really unique. Then I'm gonna swatch this shade right over here, which is kind of a olive shade, and again this is that mousse kind of a texture shade. It's similar to this shade right over here, the first one. So I'm gonna swatch it right over here. This is what it looks like. Such a pretty metallic gold olive kind of a shade. Now this is one of my favorite shade. This looks so beautiful, and it's like something else. It's a greenish glitter shade, but it contains blue glitters in it, which is very unique. But The formula is not my favorite. I'm gonna swatch it and show it to you. It's a very unique formula. It's not a shadow, it's kind of a pressed glitter, and the formula is very tricky as well, so keep that in mind. You can use this like whenever you will use this particular shadow, I can definitely say that it is going to mess up with your eye look, so be careful because it is a little bit messy. I can see fallouts with this shadow, but the shade is so beautiful. It contains such a unique glitter combination. It's such a pretty color. I just really love it. Then I'm gonna swatch the matte shades. First I'm gonna swatch this one, which looks like a mustard yellow kind of a shade, and it's quite pigmented as well. Okay, I thought it will be a little bit more pigmented than this. The pigmentation is like okayish, it's not too much pigmented or something like that. I'm gonna swatch it again and see if it gives me any color payoff. Yeah, it looks something like this. It's not very intense or something like that. The metallic shades are more intense than the matte shades, I think. Then I'm gonna swatch this orange shade right over here, brick orange shade, and I'm gonna swatch it right over here. This is a little bit more pigmented than that yellow one. I'm gonna try to build this up a little bit. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's quite good, not bad. I can actually say that this palette you will have a little bit of fallout because the formula is a little bit chalky kind of, but let's see. When I will apply it on my eyes, then only I can understand how it actually feels. Then I'm gonna swatch this reddish orangish kind of a shade, and I'm gonna swatch it right over here. Like, see, the shades are a little bit, the formula is a little bit different. Khaki shade, which looks really pretty. Like, this is what it looks like. It's a sheer kind of a shade, not that much pigmented, but it feels really good. The color is really pretty. It's not something very intense and not something very light. It's like really good. Then I'm gonna swatch this shade right over here, which is kind of a nude shade, I think, and this is what it feels. Oh my god, I don't know, I'm not so happy with the mattes. This is what it looks like. Now swatch this one, but this is not a matte shade. It's something in the middle. It's a combination of a shimmer and a matte shade. This is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Swatch this deep chocolate brown shade, which is the darker shade in this palette, which is the only darker shade in this palette. And this is what it looks. So I'm gonna first swatch this white shade, which looks really pretty. And it's not a pressed glitter, it's just a shimmer shade which contains a peachy undertone to it. Beautiful shade, by the way. It contains like I swatched it, I can see it's a white shade, but it contains such an intense pink peachy undertone to it. Such a beautiful unique shade, loved it. Swatch this shade. It's again that mousse kind of a formula, peach kind of a color. I'm gonna swatch it right over here. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna swatch this shade right over here. It's again that moussey shimmery formula. Really loved the metallic shades in this palette. Like, see the payoff. Oh my god, like, look at that. Unique shades in this palette as well. I'm gonna swatch this one. This is not that mousse kind of a shade, it's just a shimmery shade like this one. And yeah, wow, this is so beautiful. It's a gold metallic shade, so a really unique shade. It's a gray metallic shade. It's again that mousse kind of a formula. Swatch it right over here. Oh my god, this is so pretty. The shimmers are like so beautiful in this palette. A shade which is a pressed glitter, just like this one and this one. So you get 3 pressed glitters in this palette, and it's a pink glitter. I'm gonna swatch it right over here. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna swatch is this one. This one is a magenta kind of a shade, purplish magenta kind of a shade. I'm gonna swatch it right over here, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna swatch it again just a little bit. Yeah, it's a very soft shimmery pink shade. Okay, so I'm just using a little bit of concealer as my base. And by the way, using this one from Body Shop. This one is their serum based concealer. It's a really good concealer, and I purchased it from airport. I was just roaming around here and there, and I just thought of visiting this Body Shop place. There was a store, so I don't have that much Body Shop product with me, so I just thought of purchasing one concealer and one tinted lip tint and cheek tint that they have. Anyways, obviously start with the matte shades, and first I'm going to start with this yellow shade. I'm going to work it right over here. It blends really well. Pan, it is looking dusty and chalky, but I cannot see any fallout till now. Maybe it can be because of my brush, or I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna use this two shade. I'm gonna mix it well. To place this jade shade right over here. So this is what it looks like so far. The mattes are blending really well. I cannot see any problem so far, and I'm gonna do a cut crease. Okay, so using this concealer as my cut crease base was a wrong idea, because this is a serum based concealer. Take this shimmer shade right over here. It's a metallic shimmery kind of a shade, and I'm gonna use it right on the outer corners. My fingers, because the brush is not working really well. Yeah, much better. This green shade, I'm trying to press it with that metallic shade so that it blends in together. Like I should have used a matte concealer or something like that. Chocolate brown shade right over here, and using it just like this above my cut crease, just so it looks like I did something smoky kind of. Yellow shade, and trying to use it on my inner corners. To use this white shade. So yeah guys, this is what my makeup looks, and this is how my eye makeup turned out. I'm quite loving how this palette actually turned out. I was not expecting the mattes to work really well, and all in all I'm gonna give this palette a good 8 out of 10. Just go and try it out. There are few like hits and miss in this palette, but I am gonna ignore it, and I'm gonna say, like, if you're a beginner, if you're looking for a good colorful plus neutral eyeshadow palette, go for this one. This is really beautiful. And on my lips, actually, I am wearing this shade from Miss Clay. It's not Miss Clay, it's a Bella Vose lip pencil in the shade 007, and on top I am using my Fenty lip gloss in the shade Fussy. And yeah, this is what I have on my lips. And on my face I have Makeup Revolution foundation and bronzer, blush, etc., and Fenty highlighter as well. So yeah, I really loved the shimmers and the glitters in this palette, and I hope you guys will also enjoy this palette. And the few shimmers and few glitters are like I will not say they are highly like a good high formula or something like that. It's like okayish, not something extraordinary. There are few shades which are like really extraordinary, especially that green shimmery shade, that yellow shade, that white shade, and I think it's like quite good as well. But you have to be very careful because the few shimmers, they are like really messy as well somewhere. So keep that in mind, play with this palette, work with this palette, and you will know how it works. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will recommend you to purchase this palette in discount because 1500 is like too much for this palette. I think you can get any other good quality, high-end quality kind of eyeshadow palette in 1500. You can get so many Makeup Revolution palettes from for 1500, but if you get this palette in discount only, then only go and purchase it. I think that will be a good option for you. That's the reason I purchased it for 750 rupees. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.